Welcome to Learn Funnel Systems. In this video, I am going to show you how you can get certified for free. This is a new program that's launched by Systeme in order to teach how you can create funnels for free. When you take this course, you will get a sales funnel and an irresistible lead magnet book, a beautifully designed link in bio template, and this is for anyone who want to learn about like how sales funnels work, why you need sales funnel, how to build inside the system, how to do some basic automation. This is when compared to like the previous certification, this is much simpler, and you can finish it in like 4 or 5 hours time. When you give your email here, and once you get access, you will have 17 training videos inside. Once you finish those training courses, you can get your certificate with your name on it. So once you are signed into your account, you need to go to your student dashboard, where you will find this funnel builder certification program. As you can see, I have completed the 100%. Have completed the course. That's why you are seeing this progress bar as 100%. So if I just click on resume, I'll show you how it looks. And in the first one, you will have like an introduction video, which is around 2 minutes 44 seconds. Then you have the next chapter, understanding the sales funnel. It comes with all these courses,
Hello.
which is around 5 minutes long. Next one is
Hello, everyone.
6 minutes long, and like this it goes. Every video is around 5 or 6. And once you have finished this course, then you need to click on the next. And when you finish this chapter, you will have these questions that you need to correctly answer in order to progress to the next chapter. So you need to completely take all these quizzes. Building your funnels section, you can get access to all the free templates and your PDF lead magnet. If you just click here, I'll just open it and show you. This is the to Online Hero, the 3-step quick guide for online newbies. So you can give this as a lead magnet in order to get their email address. So everything is done for you. You can also grab the funnel template. You can also have the second template. You can also get the link in bio template, which I will show you how it looks. That looks like this. So you just need to customize it with your name and personal information. So this is where you will find all the freebies. The next chapter is about building your funnels, and then automating your funnels and digital products, then analytics and optimization, and finally you get your certificate. In the instructions, as you can see, once you finished your course successfully, you need to go to this page. That is a support page where you can fill in your name, email, and just give the subject as I finished the course. And you can say like, I have completed the course, and please give my certificate with your name on it. You can specify your name here. Within 1 hour or so, you will get an email from them, something that looks like this, like hi, congratulations. You will see a certificate like this. This is where you have your name on it, and you can also share it with the Facebook group if you like. So that's how it is. If you want the answers for this certification, just let me know in the comments. I'll do a separate video to help you guys get the certification if you are struggling. Anyway, if you like to see more videos like this related to Systeme and how you can get the most out of it, do consider subscribing and like this video. And also I'll have the link in the description where you can check this free certification if you are interested. Again, thank you for watching. Have a great day.